Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, southeastern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Richard to near Hayes, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murata, Maxey, Evangeline, Mayer, Jennings, Roanoke, Savoy, Egan, Iota, Crowley, Church Point, Branch, Richard, Lyons Point, Riceville, Lake Arthur, Thurwood, Indian Bayou, Rain, and Morse. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for central, south-central, and southwestern Louisiana.